Welcome to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe for more videos like this. Drop your comment in the comment section. If you like our video, share with your friends. If you have any special video on AutoCAD you want us to make for you, you can also drop that in the comment section. Thank you. So we'll be looking at development. We want to produce the full development of this cylinder. All right, cut at the top at an angle of 45 degrees. We know it's a cylinder because here we have a diameter. So this is a shape that has been drawn here. So the first step is to draw a semicircle, and to do that we have to offset by any distance, say 20, and then using that as the diameter of the circle, we draw a circle. Let's make this layer color that. So after that we have to share the circle into 12 parts. So a line from the center, so next is to use polar array. Select the center and the number is 12. After that we have to trim because we only need the semicircle, so we trim what we don't like, but this will not trim because the whole polar array is one single shape, so we have to break them up. Break or explode. Now we can just highlight and delete. So next is to project this wherever the radius touches the center, the circumference of the circle project upward. So we'll draw that in a new layer. You understand later why that is important. So let's just draw a line from this top, let's say to this point. So we copy that line, thereafter we now have to draw our projection, our development plane. So we just offset this line by, let us just say 20, offset 20. So now we need to, the length of the projection plane is same as the circumference of the circle. The diameter is 38, so we have to calculate the circumference. We just that is pi d. Circumference will be pi d, which is 3.142 times 38. That is 119.396. 119.396. So take a line, one one nine 0.396. So we have that. Next is to share this line into 12 parts, because we share our circle into 12 parts. So we use the diff command, select object, many segment 12. If you want to learn how to divide the line, you can drop it in the comment section. I will do a detailed video on that. But now let's just copy this line. You can copy, you can use offset, but to use offset you have to divide the circumference by 12, and then that will be your offset distance. In the next video I'll show you how to do that. So keep notification bell on. You get notification for new videos from this channel, and do not forget to subscribe, very important. Okay, we are done with that. So the next step will be to project wherever this line from the semicircle meets this angular line with horizontal line across to the development plane. So let's draw a line that is probably long enough. So copy that line. Alternatively, we can just draw lines across. But be sure your object snap is on. So that is done. So we now begin to trace where the vertical and horizontal lines meet. So this shape begins from here. So this becomes our very first point, right? So let's use a circle to be a marker. This is our very first point. Let's draw a circle, let's say with radius 1. So we can copy that circle now. This is the center. Be careful not to miss any point. So now we have marked our points. Let's change the layer back to the layer O and use spline to join the points. or let's change the color. Okay, spline again. So we have successfully drawn the development curve. So let's complete the shape. And then let's turn off the layer for the construction line. Turn off the layer for the construction line. That is why we propose. So this is the development. When you open up this shape, this is what you will see. So to make this shape, you need to have a sheet metal of this size. We can just hash if we like. So for us to hash, we have to join to form a region. So then we can hatch. Just pick that point and enter. So hatch edit, set it to 45. Let the spacing be 2. Okay. So this is the development of this shape. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, as well as drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you. See you next time.